waking up to my heartbeat, accompanied by the rain. The soreness in my eyes is not very surprising. The room is still uncharted. As soon as I get started, I'll send you an SOS. I'll live like it's nobody's business. Give me some time to breathe. Give me some time to speak. Give me all the truth inside, and I promise you this time, no bravado, no mistake. Just the game, just from bottom. No more pain, on in vain. Let your guard down. Call my name when you need a friend. No bravado, no bravado. Standing out in the crossroads, trying to make out where to go. You're left without warning, and now you're ignoring me. So what about us? What about all we had? Just send me an SOS. I'll run to you faster than lightning. Give me some time to breathe.